Well, hi, here we go. Day 19 is upon us. Day 18, thanks for watching that. We were able to put the 1x6 up on there. That was the last day that Ben was out here at the gardens. We are working under the stay-at-home right now. I'm coming in every day and spending most of the day in the office at the computer, working on things that need to be done in the office. Kind of a busy, stressful time in the office, but I still need to build and I still need to get out and get a few things done. So end of the day, I'm going to put a little bit of time in just to catch you up between when we finished putting that on what's happened. I finished milling the rest of the 1x. I did not do any video of that. If you really want to see, I think I mentioned this the last 4 videos, if you want to see some milling of 1x material, just going to turn around and give you a look at it. This is the rest of the 1x material. I cleaned up all those little pieces that were left over from the previous milling and then one big log, and have about 160 board feet there. That's ready. Dakota County Lumber, they're still operating, and they were kind enough to swing down with the big long boom truck. I'm gonna drop a little video of that in right now. I bet when they bought that boom truck, they weren't thinking the Extend Teleboom was gonna get them that extra 6 feet they needed for distancing, but it's really good that they are working. They dropped off, some of it's here, some roofing felt, the ice and water, and the OSB board, and the 1x4s. So I'm just gonna give you a quick sneak peek up here. Ooh, look at that, ooh, look at that. There we go. Actually have the other side done. I did video that, so you are going to get that in just a bit, but first of all, I'm gonna get the rest of this 1x up there and get that finished off. It's supposed to be a rainy week. I think tomorrow's good and maybe the next day, but most of tomorrow's gonna be in the office, so I don't know how much we're gonna get done. It's just is what it is right now. But we will get through this. We will conquer. We will move forward. We will keep building. We will keep hosting events. That's gonna be it for putting 1x's on the roof for the workday today. What I'm gonna do, there's nothing normal about anything right now, so this day 19 video is not going to be normal at all. What I'm gonna do is put in the footage of putting that on the other side. That's gonna be next, so you get to see that going on. Then we will put the rest of the 1x on and do a wrap up for day 19. Hopefully that's all in one day tomorrow. wanted to give you a little understanding of the roofing detail that I'm putting on the timber frame here. This is going to get dropped into a video, I'm not sure what day. Working by myself right now, I think 17 or 18 has been up on already. So this might be 19 or 20, somewhere around there. Anyways, wanted to go over the detail. You saw earlier on a previous video, we did 1x6 decking, and that's what, maybe I'll peek underneath here. That is what you see up there. Yeah, there you go, the 1x6 decking. There it is. On top of the rafter pieces. Then I put a little bit of felt. I did a 30-pound felt, and what that's for, it's not really for any of the moisture on the inside. That's for small little teeny gaps in between my 1x6s that insects won't go up underneath it, or if there is any light, which I don't know how there would be any light, you can't see any light, it's just dark underneath there. Then I put this 1x spacer on there. You can see them across up there, the 1x spacers on top of the tower. And then I did an OSB, and this is just a 1/2-inch OSB, 3-inch ring shank nail, air hammered down. First we did the 1x material and then the OSB, so that's actually sandwiching all the way into the rafter down in here, so that's creating this really nice sandwich. Why am I doing that extra in the space? Well, I'm using repurposed tin that I salvaged off an old pole barn. So it's already galvanized, has a little bit of rust. It's going to match some of the other buildings that we've done here at the gardens. And that doesn't line up with anything. So I have to use a 2-inch screw to hold that down, because wherever there's the little crown in that siding, I need to be able to hit along the roof anywhere. And this profile right here gives me the 1-inch, a 3/4-inch spacing, and then the 1/2-inch here. So I've got 2 inches here plus the metal on top. That's going to give me plenty of room to put those 2-inch screws anywhere on this roof and put down this recycled, repurposed, salvaged galvanized roofing material. That's pretty cool. Next on this, what's actually going to provide the water barrier is going to be ice and water. So we're going to use Grace HT, which is a gritless ice and water. So what I was calling my fascia timber, then I'm actually putting this fascia board. Just cut these, I'm still covered in dust from the sawing them up. That's going on top, as you can see right here. Then we'll be putting our drip edge, and then we'll be running our ice and water all the way over the top of it. Little explanation on kind of the profile that is on the roof here.
The grave.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like, you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Well, there you have it. So, this is going to wrap up day 19. Day 19's been a long day. There's going to be a lot of editing. You'll probably figure that out by the time you get to this point. If you've made it this far in this video, please leave me a comment like, hey, I frickin' watched this whole thing all the way to the end. I'm a rock star. And I'll like it and heart it and send you a personal... No, I won't. I'll just say thank you very much because I do appreciate everybody that watches and follows along. A long freaking day, 8+ hours in the office. There's a lot of office work right now, just as we work with all of our couples and just laying low. Couples are doing all that stuff. You'll get an update at some point here anyways. 19, day 19 is done. 20 will pick up from here, something like that. Thanks for watching. That's all I got. See ya.